Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito. And this is Hiroshima Park. So yun yung peace parang icon nila doon, memorial. And then over there, you can see parang may flame. Tapos doon sa far away, andun naman yung atomic bomb. So this area is very close to the atomic bomb. Yun yung isa sa mga, ayun. So yan, yung A-bomb na building. Yan lang yung natira dito amongst the war, doon sa atomic bomb. Yun yung A-bomb building nila. Grabe, ang ganda naman dito. If I were to live, I would probably stay here in Hiroshima. It's very nice, it's very laid back, very demure. So ito yung museum. So pupuntahan ko yan tomorrow. Grabe, ang ganda niya, I swear. Ang ganda. Grabe, ang ganda. Nakakilabot sa ganda, I swear. It's so nice. Tapos may mga autumn leaves pa doon, mga trees. I love everything. Shut up.